Hey there, are you interested in learning about cybersecurity? Have you always wanted to learn about hacking, cryptography, and securing your computer systems and network? Look no further than Full Stack Academy. Full Stack Academy offering a comprehensive training program in cybersecurity for complete beginners as well as working professionals in Hyderabad. The course is conducted by industry experts and it is entirely practical oriented, ensuring that you learn by doing it. You will get hands-on experience with the latest tools and techniques used in this industry. We also provide free food and accommodation facilities for the candidates during the entire duration of the course so that you can focus on learning without any distractions. Whether you are looking to start a new career in a cybersecurity or enhance your skills to get promoted in your job, Full Stack Academy is a perfect place for you. Enroll now in our cybersecurity course and take the first step towards brighter future. Don't miss out this opportunity to gain knowledge and the skills that will set you apart in this competitive job market. Contact us today at 9015-236-236 or visit our website fullstackacademy.in to know more details.